Are you feeling overwhelmed by the pressure to be perfect? Are you struggling to stay motivated when comparing yourself to others? Are you facing procrastination because of the fear of not being good enough? Hi, I'm Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo, and if you said yes to any of these, you are not alone. Many Filipina business owners, myself included, have felt this way at one time or the other. The pressure to be perfect can be paralyzing, but what if I told you there's a better way? Now, this video will help you face the perfectionist mindset and embrace progress, leading to a more fulfilling and successful entrepreneurial journey. It's about shifting from striving for perfection to celebrating progress. And here are 5 tips that we will talk about in this video. First one is to set achievable goals. Number 2, celebrate all wins. Number 3 is to practice gratitude. Number 4, embrace the journey. And number 5 is to forgive yourself. Let's jump right in with tip number 1, which is to set achievable goals. So, break down your big goals into smaller daily or weekly tasks that you can realistically accomplish. This makes your goals feel less overwhelming and more attainable. For instance, if your goal is to launch a new product line, here's what you can do. You can focus on smaller tasks like researching market trends this week, designing prototypes next week, and gradually building up to the launch. Now, these small steps make your goals seem more achievable and it can help you maintain steady progress. Let's use Anna's story as an example. Anna owns a small bakery and wanted to introduce a new range of gluten-free pastries, but perfection made her procrastinate. When she asked me for help, she discovered that instead of trying to do everything at once, all she needed to do was to set smaller tasks. So she experimented with recipes in one week, sourcing ingredients for another week, and then planning her marketing strategy. So by breaking it down, she was able to stay focused and steadily work toward her big goal without feeling overwhelmed. So you see, it's about reframing things so you can tackle your tasks one by one. Let's move to tip number 2, which is to celebrate all wins, including small ones. Don't wait for huge successes. Acknowledge and celebrate your daily progress, no matter how small. You see, recognizing these small achievements can boost your motivation and keep you moving forward. Let's talk about Leia, who started selling delicious leche flan desserts online. After a few initial orders, Leia felt discouraged because it wasn't the massive success that she had hoped for. She had envisioned hundreds of orders flooding in, and the reality of just a handful felt very disappointing to her. But then she remembered the importance of celebrating small wins. Each of those initial orders meant that someone out there enjoyed her leche flan enough to buy it. So Leia started to see the value in these small victories. She celebrated every positive review, every repeat customer, and every new follower on her social media page. For instance, when she received her first 5-star review, she took a moment to appreciate the effort that went into creating a product that someone loved. Now, this mindset helped her grow her business steadily. Eventually, those small wins added up to bigger successes. I hope you find Leia's story worth emulating. Are you ready for the next one? Okay, let's go to tip number 3. Practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on what went well in your business. Practicing gratitude helps you focus on what you've achieved rather than your challenges. And this boosts motivation and helps you create a positive mindset. I'd like you to meet Lisa, a business owner like you who also loves to take photographs. Despite initial setbacks in her tutorial center, she started a daily ritual. Each evening, Lisa noted 3 positives from her day: capturing a stunning sunset, for example, receiving client praise, or just updating her website. Now, this practice shifted Lisa's mindset. She appreciated small victories like client trust and personal growth. Now, gratitude not only boosted her morale, but also strengthened client relationships and fueled her business drive. Moreover, she proactively sought opportunities, honed skills, and connected with her community. Nope, we're not done yet. Let's move to tip number 4, which is to embrace the journey. Focus on learning and growing along the way, knowing that there will be setbacks. So, embracing the journey means always learning and growing in your business. It's about understanding that challenges will come, but seeing them as opportunities to improve and to move forward. Let me tell you about my mentee, Josephine, a fashion designer. She poured her heart out into her latest clothing collection. The launch was not as successful as she hoped, which was discouraging. But instead of dwelling on it, Josephine learned from the experience. She analyzed the customer feedback and used it to improve her designs for the future. Now, this setback became a valuable stepping stone for Josephine's success. Last but not least, tip number 5, forgive yourself. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes, right? No one is perfect, right? The key is to learn from them, adapt your approach, and keep moving forward. So here's Louisa's story. As part of her marketing, Louisa manages social media for her boutique. Her latest campaign did not perform as well as expected, so naturally, she felt bad, and the whole experience made her doubt herself even more. But after a while, and reaching out for help, she decided to stop beating herself up. She mustered enough courage to face what went wrong and learn from the experience. She analyzed the campaign and identified areas for improvement. So, by forgiving herself and concentrating on learning, Louisa managed to move forward with a more positive outlook. Now, you might think all these seem like such a small change, but trust me, taking action can make a big difference in your business and your well being. Overcome the pressure for perfection and embrace progress. By setting realistic goals, celebrating small wins, and prioritizing self care, you can become the best version of yourself as an entrepreneur. So remember to keep on being the best you can be every day. It's about progress, not perfection. Okay? Just like successful businesses are constantly evolving, you can too. Remember that. So if you're ready to learn more and to take your business to the next level, you can subscribe to my newsletter and my starter kit at mommynegosyo.com for more insights and tips. Thank you for joining me today. This is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo saying, be business-minded, Pinoy.